guys, I'm super excited because today we'll be checking out my favorite Apple product released this year, and that is none other than the Apple Watch Series 4. So I'm currently rocking the Apple Watch Series 2 and I'm super thankful for my parents for buying this Apple Watch Series 4 as my birthday present. Alright, without further ado, let's jump to the unboxing. Alright, so this is the Apple Watch Series 4. Let's get it out. Okay. Alright, so this is the Apple Watch Series 4. Oh no. Okay. It's a very nice package. Alright. Looks very, very nice. So go. Wow. Okay. This looks amazing. Okay, so we get the watch itself as well as the sports loop right here. Okay, so we'll leave this aside first. Okay, so let's check out the watch first. Here we go. Alright, this looks nice. Okay, so this is the Apple Watch. Take a look at that later. So we got our usual stuff in here, basic stuff. So the power brick, and of course your cable to charge your Apple Watch. Okay, take a look at the watch later. Alright, so this is the sports loop. Alright, so get sports loop right here. This looks very, very nice and it looks reflective from here. Alright, leave this aside. Let's take a look at the watch. It's a lot of stuff. Okay. Wow, so the Apple Watch is wrapped in this very nice case. Wow, just look at that. This looks beautiful. Okay, leave it aside. We'll set this up with the band. Okay, take this out. Alright, so I think we are done setting the Apple Watch Series 4. Let's just put this up. Okay, so I guess that is it for the Apple Watch Series 4 unboxing. Stay tuned for the next video. Alright, see you guys soon. Bye. Alright, so let's power this on. Alright, so we'll set this up together with my iPhone. Alright, so I'll tweet. Alright, here we go. So on my iPhone, you can actually use your iPhone to set up this watch. Okay. Alright, so Apple Watch is paired. Restore from backup. And actually click this from our old Apple Watch, which is this one right here. So we'll be transferring the data to this new Apple Watch. Okay, let's click agree. Okay, put this aside. Alright, so that is all for the Apple Watch unboxing and setup. So stay tuned for my next video. Take care, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye. What is up, guys? So this is Xavier from about a week later. So I'm currently using the Apple Watch Series 4, as you can see right here. So I've been wearing the Apple Watch Series 4 about 2 weeks now, and I've been loving the Apple Watch Series 4. It has the best Apple Watch ever. So the Apple Watch Series 4 basically has a lot of new features, and one of my favorite features would be the new large screen on the Apple Watch Series 4. So I can do a lot more things right now on the Apple Watch Series 4 which I was not able to do on the Apple Watch Series 2. One example would be surfing the web on the Apple Watch Series 4. So previously on the Apple Watch Series 2, I would not be able to go to Google and search stuff. But right now on the Apple Watch Series 4, I'm able to actually go to Apple's website and search for the Apple Watch Series 4, which is crazy. And another thing would be toggling Siri on. So toggling Siri on has never been easy on the Apple Watch Series 2. It takes a very long time for Siri to be evoked to talk to her. But right now on the Apple Watch Series 4, it is way easier, and I can ask her simple questions such as what's the weather like, and also movies released this year. One movie would be Black Panther. So with the Apple Watch Series 4, you can basically search good movies such as Black Panther, and you can find out a lot about the movie, such as the synopsis, which is a great way to learn about the movie. Another cool new feature would be the new speakers as well as the new mic placement on the Apple Watch. So whenever I'm making a call, I will not need to put the Apple Watch very close to my ear, and I can hear the person clearly. That is all for the Apple Watch Series 4 review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed this Apple Watch Series 4. I feel like this is my favorite smartwatch released this year by far, and if you are thinking of buying a smartwatch this year and you don't know what to pick and you're an iPhone, definitely choose the Apple Watch Series 4. If you're contemplating to choose whether an Apple Watch Series 3 or an Apple Watch Series 4, I would say definitely pick the Apple Watch Series 4 because it is just much better than the Apple Watch Series 3. Alright, so I'm actually heading to the US in about 2 days. So I'm actually flying off to San Francisco as a trip after my O-levels. So I'm super excited. So I'll be shooting vlogs there in the US. I don't want to spoil too much. So that's all for my Apple Watch unboxing, setup, and review. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take care, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.